Oh no! Ah! So Jordan said she can't get messed up because she's the queen. So I recommended the hurricane booth, and she was like, "Okay, let's go." And now Isaac and her are making a mess. What are they doing? I wonder how windy it is. I gotta feel it. Ah, they're pussies. It's not windy. Oh my gosh. I wonder, are they dying or is their shirt gonna blow off? That's the question. That's what the audience wants to see. Oh, what is that? Wow, that was a good position to end up. That was definitely a good position. End off in.
Wait, was that a video?
That was.
I tried to make the same face.
Yeah, I know. You're trying really hard.
You're trying to pose? Is that why you sat in different positions for a long time? All right.
Wow, I'm not gonna lie, that was really
Now you look like you had tons of drinks on your birthday.
Yeah, like you. You should have put your head. Oh. Let's go to Larry's. Yeah, you should have put your head down. It would have created a lot of body in her hair.
I have a sweater on.
You're so smart.
Oh yeah, just rub her sweater up against. That makes sense.
You look great. Let's go.
Good.
Will you crown me again?
Good.
Thank you. Here we go.
The captain says, "Let's go to Larry's." Red Bull me. Oh, that's so cute.
Let's go.
All right. Over and out.